Shalom, family. Welcome to the channel, guys. Thanks for subscribing to members only. As we promised, you guys are getting behind the scenes of what we do. As you guys see Jeremiah there, this is when we were actually going to the restaurant here. So there's another clip in a video where we recorded some video, but this is the part I want you guys to see. I'm doing a voiceover right now to let you guys know this beach is so beautiful. If you guys been to Zanzibar, we've been to Zanzibar, we've been to the Bahamas, and this is way better than the Bahamas and Zanzibar mix. The fish, we went snorkeling with fishes right in front of us. We can touch the fish. The water is clear and blue. The weather was perfect that day. So, guys, I want you guys to journey with us in the moments that we have as a family. As you guys see, I was walking behind so I can get some footage for you guys. But most of the beaches here, they have nice tree lines like this, nice shady places where you can like kind of chill and still enjoy the breeze, but not so much the sun. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Just stay tuned, and we love you guys. Thanks for subscribing. Shalom. Hopefully they can hear us. What do you think?
Good.
It's
It's
excellent.
okay. You know, you can always do a voiceover. Look how beautiful this is. We're about to go eat. We had a phenomenal beach day. Our driver dropped us off. What did we do before that? Oh, we were trying to run around and stuff.
Yeah.
And get a SIM card.
Yeah, as you guys see behind it, don't even look real. This thing did not look real, but it is. And this is our life. Hallelujah. Shalom, family. Shalom, shalom, guys. Sorry for the background noise, but we are here. We decided to do this quick little video because we feeling good, right? You feeling good? Let them know. Tell them. Tell them how you feel.
I'm feeling good.
What else? What happened?
We went snorkeling.
What did you see?
Fish. I don't know what kind of fish they are. No.
Alright guys, that was Jeremiah's feed. We went snorkeling. We saw a beautiful fish. It was so beautiful. You guys will see in the video. But we just decided to do this video real quick to show you. We stopped here at this little restaurant. The beach is right there. It's a little restaurant. It kind of reminds me of the Bahamas when we visited the Bahamas. And man, it's just beautiful here. The quality is just awesome. Although, oh, that boat ride for all of us was only like $18, I believe. $18 or something like that. It was 1,500 in rubies. So, yeah, man, it's just like unbelievable, kind of. I know the children, they just think this is everyday life, but this is blowing my mind. This is blowing my mind. Stop it. But yeah, Jazz, you guys say something? Let them know what we did today.
We went snorkeling.
How was it?
Good.
You got in the ocean, didn't you?
Yeah,
Were you afraid or were you brave?
I was brave.
Shalom fam, we're having a fantastic day. It's about 4 p.m. We're gonna eat some lunch, late lunch. It's a busy exploration filled day. I know next I wanna go to the botanical gardens. I wanna go to a museum. And yeah, that's all I got right now. That's all I'm thinking about, and get this delicious food because I'm very, very hungry. Look how cute these birds are. These birds have these orange beaks. It's super cute. I don't think you can see it, but I love the nature here. Y'all, the Indian Ocean, the coast, the East African coast is just southeast, man, it's gorgeous. But this specific area is better than Zanzibar. We've been to Zanzibar. This is better. The water is like blue, like light blue. It's phenomenal. What do you think, G? You want to get ice cream later? We've been eating ice cream like every day, y'all, because the ice cream here is so delicious.
All right, guys. Do you want to say something to you guys? Look at the camera here. What you got to say? Say hi.
Hi,
Say number.
Papa.
Say bonjour.
Da.
Bonjour. Don't eat it. Are you gonna get ice cream? Say ice cream.
Ashing.
Yes. Say yay.
Yay.
Yeah, guys. I know. Look, they're excited for ice cream. Josiah, you guys say something. You got the other microphone. You probably making all the static and stuff. Yeah. Yeah, we just wanted to do a quick little video, little intro, little outro. To let you guys know this is beautiful. And I wish you guys were here with us traveling. And
Hi.
this is just beautiful. That's all I so stay tuned, guys. Hope you enjoy. Shalom.
Ciao.